Okay guys, welcome back to How To's channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use snooze features on Facebook. Snooze, and you know the word for snooze is all for you to unable to accept post or anything from the person. You just want to snooze the person for the quiet time, just for a little time. So now this is it now. So for example, now this person now, you can see this saying Chichi says on marketing. I want to snooze this person. Just click on this three menu button and click on the okay. I think there's a link. So let me go and find someone now. This is Kawakata. Let's see if I can snooze this. No, I can this. Let me go and find another person. Okay, this person is a friend now. So now click on this three button and just scroll up and you can see snooze. Just click on snooze and you can see I've snoozed that person for 30 days. I'll not receive any any post. You can see, but we are still friends. I do not want to block the person and I do not want to unfollow the person. I just don't want to see a post or anything from the person for a quiet time, which is just a minimum of 30 days. Just snooze it and you will not be able to see any post on that person on your timeline. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.